This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. Are you looking to enhance clarity in production without a PhD in observability? Try Honeybadger Insights. Honeybadger Insights is built around structured events and Honeybadger's new query language BadgerQL, which allows you to analyze data, create metrics, and design custom dashboards. All of this is available for free with Honeybadger's monitoring suite, which includes error tracking, uptime monitoring, and more. Explore your data in new ways with BadgerQL. It's pretty cool and simple. So give it a try today at honeybadger.io. That's honeybadger.io. In this episode, we're going to have an interesting look at a stimulus controller and some of the options that we can do on the actions. And basically what that'll look like, if I put a message in here, when I click the send message the first time, I want something to happen, but I only want it to happen one time. So in this example, when we click the send message, it's going to disable this button for 3 seconds and then re-enable it. And so after 3 seconds, it gets re-enabled. But then the next time we click it, we want it to actually make the form post. Now the post, it goes to an endpoint that doesn't exist in this application. And that's okay, but the point is that we're able to have one interaction one time when we click the button, and then a different interaction the second time it's clicked. And we're also going to look at some of the other options with this, and why I would actually prefer this route or in combination with something else. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.